My mother, she had always told me she did not want to go to a nursing home. And so I could see no reason why she would have to. But I had gone to work this morning and got a call from Life Alert, and she had fell, and they figured she broke her hip, and they were taking her to the hospital. She was in the hospital a week or so, and they wanted to put her in a rehab. The next morning I went up and I fed her, and I talked to her, and she was telling me this place has nothing but garbage to eat. So I said, Mom, I'm sorry. And so the next morning I got up, and my aunt wanted to go with me, and we got to the rehab facility, and I got the hamburger and the drink and went inside, and I walked over, and there was a whole room full of people watching television. And as they were watching television, there's one wheelchair all the way in the back of the room, and there's a lady laying in the floor in a puddle of blood. And I said, Betty, get a nurse, this woman needs help. And until I got really close, I said, that's my mother. And I just went berserk. And so they said, oh, it's just a teeny cut and she's just bleeding a little. No one saw her. She's laying there and no one saw her. And I walked up and found her. There was one little lady over to the right sitting on a couch, and she was just rocking back and forth. She had seen it happen, I'm sure, because she was very agitated. If you've never lost your mother, it's one of the hardest things to do. I still, all the time, I even call one of the girls' mom, and I still want to call her. But don't let your person suffer and not be someone held responsible, because that's why the world's in the situation it's in today. Nobody has to answer for anything. My brother and my niece insisted we talk to an attorney. And I said, really, I'm not interested in that. I really was not interested in it. But then when I saw all that my mother had gone through, she shouldn't have had to have gone through that. He got us a hold of McHugh and Fuller, and these people were very nice to us. You know, I got the money. I didn't do it for that. That's what I told my brother. I said, I'm not into this for that. I'm in this to make sure. People would tell me today they're going to take somebody to that home, and I say, you're crazy. There's a new ad on our televisions lately that says these law firms, they give out their phone numbers. Well, that was 8 years ago. I had John's phone number. I had McHugh and Fuller's phone number. Julie had a birthday. I think John was in town. She said, hey, come and go out to eat with us. He didn't get to, but I couldn't have found anybody any nicer. So this has been a tough week for me, but I said I want to do it for him because he done so much for me. He did so much for my family. They're caring and loving and concerned, and I think they would do anything for you.